Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Azizah. I'm student accounting in State Polytechnic of Malang. On the event, Annual Management Business and Economic Conference, or AMBEC 2020, I would like to deliver my presentation online. This is due to the outbreak of COVID-19 with the title Analysis of Cash Flow Components, Cost Profit, and Earning Per Share on Stock Return in Manufacturing Company listed in the Indonesian Stock Exchange 2060 and 2080. And my presentation will be divided 4 parts. Background and purpose. First, the importance of stock returns. Capital gain provides a more price estimation model than the share price, because a high share price does not necessarily reflect better stock performance than lower stock price. Second, factor the effect the stock return. External factor, political impact and rupiah's exchange rate. Internal factor, the company's performance described in the financial statement. Third, purpose. To know the effect of the components of cash flow that consist of operation cash flow, investing cash flow, funding cash flow, gross profit, and earning per share toward stock return. Methodology. Research object. The manufacturing company stays in the Indonesian Stock Exchange for 2016 and 2018. Type of research experimentary with a quantitative approach. Population and samples 144 population and 32 samples. Data research, secondary data. Sampling method, determination of samples in this study using purposive sampling method. Data collection method, documentation. Data analysis, multiple linear regression. Decision and result. First, the effect of operating cash flow on stock return. Operating cash flow has not significant effect on stock return. Operating cash flow does not credit the company in carrying out its business activities in the future, because the company that is able to pay dividend to shareholder is a company that has high income and sufficient cash fund. Second, the effect of investment cash flow on stock return. Investment cash flow has not significant effect on stock return. The amount of cash flow that occurs in investment activities cannot predict when the realization of profit of investment activities carried out. Third, the effect of cash flow of funding on stock return. Funding cash flow has no significant effect on stock return, as the content of accounting information at sample companies does not relevant information and there are still market anomalies result from investor failure to understand accurate information, cash flow, market risk, and conservatism. Fourth, the effect of gross profit on stock return. Gross profit has no significant effect on stock return. The difference between income and cost of goods sold is too small. Cost profit can be controlled by management because the cost of goods sold determines the competitiveness of the product in the market. Fifth, the effect of earning per share on stock return. Earning per share have a significant effect on stock return. Many company leaders, when earning per share grow and make the main goals in the annual report, because the dividend or return of share paid by the company come from earning. 6. The effect of operating cash flow, investment cash flow, fund cash flow, gross profit, and earning per share simultaneously on stock return. Significant influential is considering information provided in the detail and relevant by investor, so it can be used as a basis for investment decision making. Conclusion: based on the analysis, it can be concluded that cash flow, component, and gross profit are not sources of reference for investors in making investment decisions, and the number of earnings per share is the main target in the company's annual report to attract investor interest.